Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how we can create a multi-page PDF in Photoshop. It's a very easy method. So let's get started. So first, open the documents that you want to create or that you want to convert into multi-page PDF. So I have opened 4 documents over here. As you can see, this 2, 3 and 4. And if you go to window, we can see there are 4 documents opened here, and you can open as many documents as you want as long as your PC is able to handle it. So then go to, if you want to convert it or create a multi-page PDF, go to file and go to automate and go to PDF presentation. So first of all, we need to add open files. So all the files that we have opened will be added in the document like this. So we have 4 documents over. You can always change the order of the document as per your requirement like this. So I will change the order. Now we have 2 options over here. So we want to convert a multi-page document, so we need to select this option over here. And if you want to create a presentation, then click on presentation. Then just like a Microsoft PowerPoint, we can create a presentation like how many seconds do you want in between 2 slides, and loop and the animation effects, all those things that we use in a presentation. But for now we need to, or we want to create a multi-page document, so we will select this one. And these values don't really matter because we have already selected the values, as we have selected a ready-made or selected multiple ready-made documents. So these values don't really matter. So select all the files that you want, and if you want some more files, then you can go to browse and select the files that you want. So for this particular example, I'm going to stick with the 4 documents that I have opened. So click on save and choose the location that you want. So I'm going to choose this new folder and I will name this file as 1. The save as type will be automatically multi-page document PDF. So I'm going to click on save. So it will ask for some more options. Now have a look at this option over here, preserve Photoshop editing capabilities. This option is not active because we are using a multi-page, or we are creating a multi-page PDF. That's why this option is inactive, but this option will be active when we are creating a single page PDF, that I will show you later on. But for now, this option is, we cannot choose this option because it is inactive. So there are other options, like if you want compression and output option, and if you want to add security, like if you want to apply a password, you can apply a password to this. And in general properties, stick to this high quality print and capabilities. Acrobat 5 works for most of the documents, so don't really change most of the things over here. Just this one option, I will show you later on what this option does. But for now, I'm keeping all the values as it is, and I'm not going to apply any security. That is, I'm not going to apply any password, but simply I'm going to click on save PDF. So once it is converted into a PDF, I will show you how it looks. So we have 4 pages, so the output should also have 4 pages. So I'm going to go to new folder, and this is the document that we have created. I will zoom this out and show you. So as you can see, this document has 4 pages. So these are the 4 pages. So this is how we can create a multi-page PDF. But there is one more thing. If I drag this, or if I open this, let me minimize all the document first so that we can see what I'm trying to explain. So I will minimize all the documents and I will open this document in Photoshop like this. So as you can see, I will open this number 3 file, which is this one, this Friendship Day. So in this PSD document, which was the original document, the source file, we have multiple layers over here. But if you see on this PDF that we have created, just created, this is a PDF document, there is no multiple, or there is only one layer. So this is because we have created a multi-page PDF. So if you want all the layers intact, if you want to preserve all the layers, you can simply, you cannot do that in a multi-page PDF, but you can do that in a single page PDF. So how to do it? I will show you. This is the single page. As you can see, it has multiple layers. So select this single PDF and go to file and go to save as or save a copy. Save as or save a copy. In newer versions, the option is save a copy, and older versions it is save as. So I will again go to new folder and I will select this option over here, Photoshop PDF, and name it, I will keep this name, Friendship Day, or let's say I will name it ABC, and click on save. Now as you can see, this option is active over here, preserve Photoshop editing capabilities. This option is present, so check on this option, and if you want page thumbnails, also check this option. Now once all other options are same, now if you click on save, document will be created, and if I open that document, you will see, I will close this. No, now this is the document that I just created. I will open this in Photoshop, minimize this. This is, as you can see, abc.pdf. so this is a PDF document. So even though this is a PDF document, as you can see, all the layers are intact like this. This is the PSD, pretty much similar, so that you can edit the document as you want. Even though it is a PDF document, it has preserved all the layers. You just have to select that one option, preserve document, so you will get this multi-page or multi-layered PDF. So I have shown you both the options, how we can create multi-page PDF, and if you want to preserve the layers, then we can also do that using the option. So but remember, once while you are creating a multi-page PDF, you cannot preserve the layers. It is only possible in a single document. If you are going to create a single page document, only then it is possible. Otherwise, in a multi-page PDF, it is not possible to preserve the layers. So this is how we can do both the things. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.